Alright, you want to get started affiliate marketing, so you're asking questions like how you can do that. You're on the internet searching for things to make you better at affiliate marketing. Good for you. This is the video for you, and it's going to help you on your affiliate marketing journey. It's going to help you get your first few sales fast, okay? With the least amount of effort, alright? So you want to put out a bunch of content and you want to have it go viral so that you can get as many people as you can to look at your videos and your content and click on the links and give you sales. So with that being said, there is a way to actually fully automate videos, content creation being made on any platform you want. So instead of spending the time every day to make YouTube videos, Instagram, whatever it is, this AI support, whatever you want to call it, will literally do it all for you. And it's a great tool because with that method, you can set it up and have the AI be running to post your content for you. It's gonna make your content for you so that it'll be on those platforms already when you wake up every day, and you wouldn't even have had to lift a finger, and you'll be having clicks on your affiliate links and then eventually sales. So when you get this bot to do the content creation for you, it's going to get viewers to watch it, and then you're going to get clicks. So with that being said, you're basically leveraging AI in a way where you have a little budget, less than $40 a month, and you are now making money from affiliate links from an AI bot that's already automating everything for you. So this is an amazing tool for affiliate marketers, especially because there's a lot of things that we want to affiliate market, and we want people to click on our links, but the only problem is there's too much content to be made in too little of a time frame. So if we could just sit around and have those videos being made for us already, then that frees up our whole day of having time to focus on other stuff and having time to focus on the strategies and actually see what'll work or not, instead of just spending your entire day on this and seeing what happens. So this is an amazing tool, and obviously I want you guys to have this tool, so the link is down below in the description or the comment section, somewhere over there. Feel free to check it out, okay? It's a great tool. I mean, I don't know why anyone wouldn't use this, because it's kind of like a free money hack once you sign up to have this AI working for you. With that being said, I have other resources for you to use that are completely free. There's links like Affiliarama, things like that are good for teaching affiliate marketers that have just started affiliate marketing. So it's basically a website blog kind of that will bring you through free training courses, everything you want to learn when you start out. So I'm going to leave links for that, and I'm also going to leave a link to my personal website, my blog, Helping Affiliate Marketers, and I strongly suggest that you definitely look at that. There's a lot of tools that are going to you're going to go on that website and you're going to find all these tools for you to start affiliate marketing and how you're going to be able to do it better. So please take my advice. You don't have to, but you clicked on this video, which shows that you are trying to make money and you're not giving up. So I admire that from you. Please subscribe to my channel if you would like to be successful in affiliate marketing and in any area of your life. Alright, if you're not doing affiliate marketing, maybe you're just doing content creation, this will be a great tool for you. You know, you don't even have to be specifically selling products in your videos from affiliate links. You can just use this AI tool to create content for you just to go viral so you can get monetized, which is also an amazing idea. And this this link that I'm going to be giving you for the AI content creation is called the AI Creators Club. Just so you know, you're going to want to get into it. You're going to want to look at it a little further and invest into it before other people do, because this just came out. AI is helping everyone with their businesses so much, and right now is the time that it's helping the most, because it's not being used that much, yet we have so many tools that we could be using it for. So thank you for watching. This really means a lot to me. This is my affiliate marketing channel. Please subscribe if you would like all tools and all knowledge that's going to get you your first affiliate marketing sales if you haven't gotten them already. Alright, I'm here for you as a beginner. Alright, I know exactly how it feels being a beginner in this, and you need some support, so that's what I'm here for. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.